2019 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, trip computer, fog lights, heated front seats, rear window defroster, security system, electronic stability control, compass, overhead console, tachometer, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, brake assist, front reading lamps, power driver's seat. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.